Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick review on my 4x8 Green Hut grow tent. So I'll basically show you the setup. So you got the outside ports right here. You got a big one, small one. You got another big one here on the bottom of this right side. You have that, and I'll show you what that looks like on the opposite side. This is just a Velcro port right here, and this is mesh. So if you need to let some air in, you can always just open this thing up. This is just like the other side. You got your small and your two big ports there. You have two doors on the front. This is some windows here as well. You can cover them up if you don't want the light coming in. You can just take this and throw it over there, however you want to do it. But yeah, like I said, you got two doors, and you can also unzip all along the bottom. And up the sides and really open that thing up if you want. I don't really see the point of that for me personally. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll take a look inside. I'll say one of my big knocks on this thing is it will catch right here sometimes when you're zipping. So you got to be careful, but I think that's common for any zipper. So I've had this thing for about a year, and I grow mushrooms in it, so my humidity levels are always pretty high in here at like 90% or so, and this thing's really held up well. I forgot to mention there is a big port on top of it right there and right here as well. But the thing was very easy to assemble. It's just putting these poles together and then wrapping it. It took a little effort to wrap the tent itself around it, but that was fine. The whole thing holds up really well. Like I said, it's been a year. This thing gets a lot of wear from the mushroom work. One thing I did notice is that when you drag the, if you have racks, if you drag the feet, you will scuff up this this bottom floor here, but I'm not too worried about that. Let me go ahead and open this left side here. Got a little pouch here for storing things as well. But yeah, overall the tent has done the job. It's not showing any signs of really wearing down after a year of use, and I definitely recommend it. I'll throw a link in the description below. But yeah, for a budget tent, I really feel like you can't ask for much more than this. So let me know if you guys have any questions or any thoughts on it, and thanks for watching. Hope this helps.